Madam, the protests are happening with the Congress protesting against the defections, and this is the second year that they have marked the second anniversary. So, what do you have to say about that?
If you happen to know about Maharashtra, there was a quote, "Pannas okay, ekdam okay." So all those MLAs who defected from Congress party and other party to the ruling, be it for whatever reason it was, like there it was said that 50 crores each got. So I don't know what the reasons here MLAs have gone, but whatever it is, that is not in the right spirit. Be it money, be it anything else also. Loyalty matters, and they know that they are not going to get elected from the party that they have gone to, and hence they are first getting elected from Congress and then defecting. If they have the guts, I'm telling you, if they have the guts, they should go to that party and get elected from that party, not fool people. This is absolutely cheating and fooling people by getting elected in Congress, who people vote because they are in Congress, and then going to another party. So my question to all these MLAs who have already gone or who will again go is that if you have the guts, please get elected from there and show us. Congress is not weak. This is just a reminder that this protest is just a reminder to the public that these are cheats, disloyal people who have taken your vote for granted. You have voted them because they were in Congress, and now they have gone to the other party. People have not accepted that party, or otherwise people would have voted for that party. People had accepted Congress and will also accept Congress candidates in future.
So Madam, you want them to resign and recontest?
Of course, morally and ethically that is right, because they have not been elected from there. People did see the Congress, Hath Ka Panja, and voted for them. They have not seen any other symbol. And if they had the guts, they would have waited for the election and then they would have voted. Madam, but they are taking advantage.
Madam, how do you see the situation in Goa as far as the Congress is concerned during the elections, upcoming election of 2020?
I think that better Adhyaksh will be better able to answer. I'm
our
observer.
Mahila Adhyaksh is there. She has been newly appointed for Goa. This is her first visit. She has just had a executive committee meeting today. So probably in second visit you can ask her this question.
And probably this I was answering through what we have faced, same issues we have faced back in Maharashtra also. So I know BJP cannot get its people elected, so they are buying it through the money power that is generated from the Adanis and the Ambanis. But that won't last for long.
पण महाराष्ट्रात जेव्हा तुम्ही म्हणता की 50 कोटी आमदारांना मिळाले, इतर सुद्धा मिळाले
असणारच ना. आणि मला सांगा, आज मी काँग्रेस पक्षातनं निवडून येते तर मी दुसऱ्या पक्षात असत नाही जाणार आहे, किंवा पैसे मिळालेले आहेत किंवा काही दुसरं काही असू शकतं. केसेस, चुकीच्या केसेस, खऱ्या केसेस, काहीतरी ना काहीतरी. एवढीच हिंमत जर बीजेपीला असेल ना तर त्यांनी निवडून दाखवावी.
थँक्यू.